Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device supports live photos and that iOS is updated. Once done, open Photos or Camera and pick a live photo or capture one now. The live badge confirms motion. You should trim or change the key photo in Edit to control the still frame scene on the lock screen. Make sure the clip shows the exact moment you want to animate, because that choice determines the wallpaper playback and how natural the motion feels. Next, set that live photo as your wallpaper. From Photos, tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper, then confirm live photo is active so motion will play. You can pinch to scale and drag to position the frame that shows when idle. Once aligned, tap Set and choose Lock Screen or both. You must use the lock screen for touch-activated playback. The home screen does not animate. This step ensures the image looks right and will animate when you press the screen. Finally, test the wallpaper by locking the phone and then pressing and holding the lock screen. Haptic touch triggers the live photo to animate. If it doesn't play, make sure live photo wasn't converted to a still, disable low power mode, and turn off reduce motion and accessibility because those stop animation. If you only have a video, convert it to a live photo with a trusted app and then repeat the set live photo steps. That fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.